Imagine biting into a burger that looks, smells, and tastes just like real meat, but there is no animal involved at all. Sounds surprising, right? Welcome to the new world of food, where plant-based fast food is rapidly changing the way we eat. Today, we are going to explore the big question: are vegan burgers really taking over the fast food industry? In the last few years, plant-based fast food has grown from a small health trend into a global movement. Big brands like McDonald's with McPlant and Burger King with the Impossible Whopper have already entered this space. Even companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are leading a massive change in the food industry. Sales of plant-based meat alternatives have increased rapidly, showing that people are now open to trying healthier and more sustainable food options. But the biggest question is, does it actually taste like real meat? Surprisingly, many people who try plant-based burgers say they cannot easily tell the difference. The texture is juicy, the flavor is rich, and the experience feels very close to a real beef burger. This is one of the main reasons why plant-based fast food is becoming so popular among both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Another major reason behind this trend is health and environment. Plant-based food generally contains less cholesterol and can support better heart health compared to regular fast food. At the same time, it uses much less water and produces fewer greenhouse gases during production. This means choosing a plant-based burger is not just a food choice, but also a step towards a healthier planet. This trend is not limited to one country. Around the world, fast food chains and restaurants are adding vegan options to their menus. Experts believe that the plant-based food market will continue to grow massively in the coming years, possibly becoming a normal part of everyday fast food culture. So the real question is, will plant-based fast food completely replace meat in the future? Maybe not fully, but one thing is clear: it is becoming a strong competitor in the global food industry. More people are trying it, enjoying it, and accepting it as part of their lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food trends and interesting food stories.